Hey guys, it's Wendy. I don't know if you can see me, hopefully you can. So I'm going to get closer because we are on Highway 321. It's called Hickory Boulevard, but it's Highway 321 and it's super loud with the cars. So I'm going to be a little bit closer so you can hear me. So I'm here today at the cottage and getting ready to trim up these bushes. Got some rose bushes. I forgot my gloves, so I'll have to do them another day. But we're getting ready to have like 3 or 4 days of rain, and I'm wanting to mulch here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get this done and cleaned out before I mulch. So I brought my little hedge clipper over here. I know people are like, why don't you hire someone to do that? And honestly, I have a hard time hiring somebody to do something that I can do myself. And you know, I save money wherever I can. I am a struggling local business owner and it is a struggle. We're not rolling in it, but you know, we make ends meet, and this is one of the ways I do it. Anyway, here I go. Butterfly bush. I don't know the name of it. I just know it has purple flowers. And you saw how big it was. So I could even cut this down even further, and it's still going to be this huge by the end of summer. And we get all these beautiful butterflies. It's just gorgeous. I love butterfly bushes, but they do take this particular one gets pretty big. I usually wait till like March 15th, but this year I'm just going ahead and trying to get some stuff done early because spring gets a little bit crazy with product and stuff that's coming in, and so I'm just going to try to get it done while I can get it done, and I'm trying to beat the rain. Bushes need trim too, but they seriously have huge thorns on them. They're the knockout roses, and I'll come back and do them another day. And I don't like to use my hedge trimmer on those because it really will gnarl up the stems. So I'll come back with my loppers, my trimmers, and do that. And a lot of times I'll pick them up with the loppers, but I need gloves for that for sure. So I'm gonna go dump this, and I'll be right back. So there's the butterfly bush all trimmed up. It looks so much better. I could probably take it down a little bit shorter, but I'm not. I wanted to show you this monkey grass. So this monkey grass came with the building, and it was lopsided. Let me show you over here. It was lopsided and only growing on that side, so I split some of that monkey grass and I planted it on this side. And this, honestly, it looks like I should split this up, and I might do that. I might plant some more of this in the back. I've got some areas that need to be fixed up, so I'm probably going to split those up. But this, in the next week or two, part of the pruning process, I will take my weed eater and I will whack that down to just like a nub from the ground, all of these, and then I'll split them then. Monkey grass, especially it's variegated, it is very hardy, and actually you just like lay it on top of the ground and don't even dig a hole, it will root right where it's at. So I've got some pampas grass in these. Look at my beautiful bulbs that are starting to come up. I think those are daffodils. Let me fix this. my gosh, how cute. So these I planted in these earths. I've got another one on this side over here. But this is pampas grass in the middle. And I'm gonna try to weed eat it, but I don't want to mess up my, I should already did it before these bulbs came up, but I might have to do it by hand. I need to trim that down and decide if I want to transplant those or not. I may transplant those back to the back as well. These right here are, I think they're purple coneflower maybe, or Rebecca, black-eyed Susans. Yeah, I think they're black-eyed Susans. They look rough right now, but they are glorious in the summer. And this is a sad, very sad rose bush that once I trim it down, it will come back and look beautiful. And then this looks like tumbleweed. Believe it or not, this is salvia. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull all of this dead, just the dead wood off of it, and it'll look like nothing. But in the summer, this spring and summer, it'll come back and it'll be beautiful, about as big as you see, green and purple flowers. It'll be beautiful. And I have some more of it on this side. So there's some more Rebecca. This is my, gotta figure out, I had a water fountain in this spring and summer, and I'll probably clean it up and do that again. The plants didn't do so good, but anyway, there's another rose bush. And here's, you can see right here, this is purple coneflower. And so all of these were seeds at one time, and they just fed the birds. But I'm going to take all the dead wood off of this stuff today, down to the ground. You can see it's already got some greenage coming up. We'll take it down to the ground, and the stuff will just, it's another thing that I probably should split up and move to different places. And I might split it up, take some to my house, because it's really pretty. So anyway, I'm going to trim this other butterfly bush today too. See how big that is? It's huge. All right, let's get busy. this is a healer. Okay guys, other than sweeping here, I think I'm done for today. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time until I get it all done. I'm going to come back. I have a blower and it would be really quick to blow this trash off of the sidewalk, but I've got a big broom. I'm just going to use that because the blower I have here is electric and it's a pain in the booty. So anyway, the only thing I got left is just to sweep. I'll come back another day and trim the monkey grass, and I'm going to trim my pampas grass and all my rose bushes, and then we'll have my son and my nephew come and help me spread some mulch. We can do it in about 3 or 4 hours. It doesn't look big, but it is a big front bed, and just going to get cleaned up and looking nice. We always have a really big birthday bash 1st of April. This will be our 8th year in business, so we want it to look really pretty for that event. And anyway, I'll try to, during the summer, just show you the progress of the yard. I really don't do a whole lot other than in the spring I clean it up, put out mulch. I might plant a few flowers if I find something I really like out and about, but a lot of the stuff that I planted when we first came in here are perennials, and they come back year after year and they multiply, and those are the kind I love. Perennials, I'll plant them the most and I get the most bang for my buck. So I really don't have to do a whole lot, and during the summer I just have to water my planters. They get dried out really fast, but other than that, it fills in and it looks great. So anyway, I just did beat the rain. I'm already feeling little drops on me, so I'm going to call it quits for today. Come back the next time and get all the other bushes.